This video will describe how to use the dictionary tool in Read and Write for Mac, as well as how to configure some of the settings in the Dictionary Preferences section. The dictionary icon can be found on the Reading, Writing, and Research toolbars. In this example, the Reading toolbar is shown. Look up the meaning of a word by clicking the word followed by the dictionary icon. In this example, the word is not found in the default library, which is the most basic. There are two additional dictionaries which can be selected by clicking the settings icon and navigating to the dictionary section. The first option is to look up the word online by checking the box next to the text marked Use Web Dictionary. An internet connection is required to use this option. This option will provide the best results.
Educational.
ed.middle.u.middle.com.
Educational.
The second option is to check the box next to the text marked Use Advanced Dictionary. We will also uncheck the Web Dictionary option. This option does not require an internet connection. Click on the desired definition and then the play button to have the definition read aloud.
Adjective, providing knowledge, an educational film.